Ladies and gentlemen, imagine this. You wake up tomorrow with 86,400 in your bank account. Every single day, you get the same amount. But by midnight, whatever you didn't use disappears. You can't save it. You can't get it back. What would you do? You'd spend it wisely, right? You'd plan every dollar, you'd invest it. You wouldn't waste it. Well, that's exactly how time works. Every day you get 86,400 seconds. And every night, whatever you didn't use, it's gone forever. Let me ask you something that might sound simple. What did you do with your last 24 hours? Not last month, not last year, just yesterday. You had 24 hours, right? Same as me, same as the richest person you know, same as the laziest person you know. Yet somehow the results are not the same. Why somehow the results are not the same? Because most people don't manage their 24 hours, they survive them. Let's be honest. We wake up, grab our phone, and boom, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube notifications. Before you even say good morning, it's already 11:30 a.m. You think, I'll just scroll for 5 minutes. But somehow, your breakfast, your plan, your motivation, everything gets scrolled away. You see, everyone says time is money. No, time is life. You lose money, you can make it back. You lose time, it's gone forever. And the funniest part, we always say, I don't have time. No one in history ever had time, they made it. Think about this. You have 24 hours. Let's break it down. 8 hours for sleep, 8 hours for work or study, fair enough. Now here's the secret. It's not what you do in your 8 working hours that changes your life. It's what you do in the other 8. That's where your dreams live. That's where you learn skills, build something, improve yourself, or waste it watching videos about cats who are more productive than you. We love to say, I'll do it when I have time. But the truth is, you'll never have time. You'll only have choices. You choose to scroll or to learn. You choose to gossip or to grow. You choose to sleep early or to snooze your life away. Because, ladies and gentlemen, every day is a countdown. The real question is, are you spending it on something that matters? Let's start with mornings. Everyone says, wake up early. Successful people wake up at 4:30 a.m. My friend, I woke up at 4:30 a.m. once. I just stared at the wall and asked myself, why do I exist? It's not about waking up early. It's about waking up for something. If you don't know why you're waking up, it doesn't matter when you wake up. Let's be honest. We all wake up with that one thought, 5 more minutes. Those 5 minutes are the most expensive minutes in history. They've destroyed more dreams than failure ever did. You close your eyes for 5 minutes and somehow you open them at 45. Then comes the phone ritual. You open your eyes, open your phone, and start comparing your half-asleep face with someone's beach vacation photo. They're sipping coconuts, you're sipping guilt. That's how your day begins. Here's the rule. Don't touch your phone for 30 minutes after waking up. Drink water, stretch, sit in silence, look in the mirror, and remind yourself, I matter. My dreams matter. Now, let's talk about the big middle chunk of the day. You sit to focus. You say, today, I'll do everything. Then, one notification pops up. Just a second. That second becomes 2 hours, 12 reels, 4 snacks, and one full identity crisis. We say we don't have time. No, we leak time. One leak here, one distraction there, and your 24 hours are gone like Wi-Fi in a storm. You don't need to manage time. You need to manage your attention. Turn off your phone when you work. Don't worry, your friend's cat video will still be there later. Stop saying, I'll start when I feel motivated. Once you start, motivation appears. It's not the cause, it's the result. And energy matters. You can plan your hours perfectly, but if your brain feels like Windows 98, nothing works. Sleep properly, drink water, take breaks. You're not a robot. Even your phone needs charging. And please, don't try to do everything. Some people want to become fit, Rich, smart, famous, spiritual, all in 1 week. Calm down. You're not an iPhone update. Focus on one thing at a time. When you chase 10 rabbits, you catch none. Do a few things fully instead of many things half-heartedly. Be honest with your time. At the end of the day, your calendar never lies. The most dangerous time of the day. You eat, feel full, and suddenly your brain says, "We did great today. Let's retire." That time, 1000 p.m. to 4000 p.m. That's when 90% of dreams quietly die. Not because people quit, but because they get sleepy. You open your laptop. Your body's at work, but your soul is on vacation. You click and scroll, hoping somehow your screen will do the job for you. This part of the day decides whether your 24 hours are productive or just busy. Most people switch to autopilot, doing random things that feel like work, but move nothing forward. Here's how to manage it. Don't eat like you're preparing for hibernation. Keep lunch light, fuel your brain, don't punish your body. Right after lunch, don't dive into heavy work. Take 10-15 minutes to reset, walk, stretch, drink water, step outside for sunlight. That short reset sharpens the next few hours. Schedule your hardest tasks before lunch, easiest after. The brain's peak focus is in the morning. After lunch, it wants comfort. Avoid fake productivity, random texts, tab switching, cleaning desktop. Pick one major goal for the afternoon. Finish it. Done. Beds after lunch? Black holes. Have a midday checkpoint. Am I moving closer to my goals or just passing time? 2 minutes is all it takes to save hours. Evenings are when people either grow or destroy their progress. You come home tired. Just rest for 10 minutes, you say. Then Netflix asks, "Are you still watching?" You're there with chips in hand thinking, "Yes, and I hate myself." Here's the truth. Evenings are your second life. You worked for others all day. Boss, school, deadlines. Evenings are yours. Use them wisely. Take a small break, but don't let it turn into a marathon of distractions. Do something that feeds your energy, not kills it. Walk, gym, read, talk to someone uplifting. Stop saying, "I'm too tired." You're not tired, you're unfulfilled. Do something meaningful. Watch your energy return. Before dinner, spend 15 minutes reviewing your day. What stole your time? What made you proud? Just 3 things that actually matter. Wake up with direction, not confusion. Most people waste nights scrolling. One video becomes 2 a.m., lost in conspiracy theories. Your phone is not your pillow. Scrolling doesn't relax, it clogs your brain. Rule: 1 hour before bed, disconnect. No screens, no noise. Sit, stretch, write, reflect. Peace is not the absence of work. It's knowing you gave your best today. Mornings are your introduction. Afternoons are the action. Evenings are the conclusion. End calm, focused, meaningful, and your next chapter starts strong. Look at the next 24 hours like 86,400 in your bank account. Spend it wisely. Invest it in yourself. The difference between an ordinary life and an extraordinary one isn't talent, luck, or opportunity. It's how you use your time. Wake up with purpose. Handle the post-lunch slump. Guard your afternoons. Use evenings wisely. Reflect, recharge, plan, end nights with peace. Every time you honor your hours, you honor yourself. Every time you focus, you tell the world, "I matter. My dreams matter. My life matters." Time won't wait. Life won't pause. You have the same 24 hours as the richest, smartest people on the planet. The difference? Better hours, not more hours. Wake up tomorrow with intention. Make small choices that matter. Focus, act, reflect, repeat. In 1 year, those 24 hours you manage today will become a life most people only dream of. Remember, you can't add more hours, but you can change how every single one counts. That's the power of managing your 24 hours. That's the power to change your life. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this message. Your 86,400 is ticking. Make every second count.